I'm trained as an engineer, and I've been working in the field of glaucoma research for about 30 years now. Glaucoma is the second most common cause of blindness, and in many patients it's caused by an elevated pressure within the eye. And pressure is a mechanical force, and that's something that engineers understand about. More generally, we can use engineering tools, treating the eye as a system, to try to understand the physics of what happens in the eye, the blood flow, the flow of other fluids, the deformation of cells and tissues, and really dig into understanding how those cells and tissues respond to those mechanical forces and what role that plays in the disease process. Our goal is to, first of all, understand why it is that people get glaucoma, and secondly, to try to develop treatments to prevent them from losing vision in glaucoma. This is very important. It's a very common cause of blindness. So, for example, we're developing a technique that actually protects the eye from pressure. So all currently available medical techniques are based on lowering the pressure in the eye. And unfortunately, in a significant number of patients, that doesn't work out very well for a variety of reasons. And so our approach has been complementary to say, hey, let's not just think about lowering the pressure, but let's also think about making the eye better able to resist elevated pressures. A third project that we're working on in the lab is to use stem cells, deliver those to one specific part of the eye that we know is malfunctioning essentially in glaucoma, to try to restore the function of that tissue. And this is a completely new idea that we're working on. Very exciting if it works, and we're many years away from knowing if it's going to work or not, but if it works, it's a completely new way to treat the disease as well. I love doing this research because I feel like I'm helping people, first of all, and to me that's very important. I had a great aunt who went blind from glaucoma, and I saw what happened to her and what that was like for her, and so there's a very personal connection for me. And on top of that, I like working with smart people across multiple disciplines. So I talk with ophthalmologists, pharmacologists, cell biologists, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, physicists. And it's really putting that all together and working in that very fascinating interdisciplinary space that's exciting to me.